Application of PEMDAS Rule in operations with fractions. We can use the PEMDAS rule in expressions containing fractions in the same way as we have used it in expressions with whole numbers. Recall that first we deal with the part of expression inside the brackets and then with the remaining, where exponents, powers, are calculated first, then divisions and multiplications, from left to right, and at the end we occupy with additions and subtractions, again from left to right. Let's consider an example. Example: calculate the value of the expression on screen. Solution: we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 3.4.8. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.4.9, Applications of Operations with Fractions in Practice. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.